This hybrid heat press features a brand new patented design, easy to assemble and beginner-friendly. First, place the two washers into the top platen holes. Next, position the partition metal plate and plastic handle. Align holes and tighten screws. Then, align and attach the drawer handle with screws. Finally, align the operating handle's U-groove with the base protrusion and tighten screws. Dual column, dual swing arm design ensures even pressure and long-lasting durability. Anti-burn and space-saving design. First, screw 3 aluminum rods, the front metal panel, and handle mounting plate to one side panel. Attach the other side panel with screws, but do not fully tighten. Next, install the quick clamp handle assembly. Then, secure the quick clamp handle to the handle mounting plate with screws. Finally, push the operating handle to check smooth movement. Then tighten all screws. Align the mug platen with the holes and tighten with button head screws. Mug press assembly complete. Upgraded security features for a fully enhanced experience. Unleash your creativity.